So if you follow me, you know I have an obsession with figs. I love fresh figs. Guess what you cannot really grow in Iowa too well? Fresh figs. They like a little bit warmer climate. There are a couple that they say can do well here, but I haven't had luck. So I do figs in patio pots so I can have fresh figs. And figs do extremely well in these planters outside on my patio. And what's fun about it is they actually do grow a little bit bigger, but they stay contained in the size of the pot I put them in. Now, what I love about fresh figs is they're so easy. Once these are potted up, I put them outside in the summer for full sun. I get them out kind of early because they can take some cool temps. So in early April, I set them out. They leaf out outside. And then in the fall, when we are starting to get cold, their leaves start turning yellow, just like a deciduous tree. When they're doing that, I put them into a cold, dark room. So it only stays about 45 degrees in there over the winter, no light, and they go dormant. I maybe water them once a month in that dormancy just to make sure that they're staying healthy, staying moist. And then the cycle continues the next year. It's that easy. So Monrovia makes gorgeous fig trees. They're actually one of the only places I found that make great fig trees. So they're the easiest thing to pot, literally, guys. I know you know how to do this, but a lot of you have asked, so I'm gonna just show you here. I put some soil. I usually make sure it's about 2 sizes larger than the size pot that your fig tree comes in. They're pretty vigorous growers and grow fairly quickly, so they're gonna fill this size pretty easily. When I take it out, since it doesn't have like a major aggressive root system, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that bottom growth and just break it up a little bit. This is just allowing some of those roots to want to branch out a little bit easier into this new pot. And then once I have some of that growth taken off, I'm going to come over and check the height. That's literally about perfect. I like about 1 inch or 2 down from the rim. And then I'm just going to put the soil in around it. I like to use that native soil and then mix it with the potting soil. Usually the native soil has really good drainage and a lot of bark in it, which is really good for figs. They don't like to be bogged down with moisture. And now I'm just gonna top it off with some more potting soil. Tamp it down just to make sure you get those air pockets out of it. I've told you before, but air pockets around roots, not a good idea. They create an area where roots can dry out easier, so you wanna make sure to have no air pockets. But now this thing is ready to set on my patio with all my other figs. You can already see there's a few little figs coming. That's how quickly they come. These are a blackjack. I also love mission figs. I love brown turkey, Corky's Delight, which is a green one, that's fun. And now I'll have fresh figs. That is how easy it is to have fig trees. This works for citrus too, except they stay warm over the winter, where these just go cold. If you have more questions, keep sending them my way because I can keep talking about the plants I love. I love to grow all these things and I love to show you how easy it is. So hopefully you're inspired to maybe grow a fig tree or a house plant or whatever it is. So tell me what you're loving about these, share them around so everyone knows the goodness, and we'll plant something together, guys.